Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with LinkedIn OAuth for React Native, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with LinkedIn OAuth in your React Native app, you first need to create a LinkedIn application. Visit the LinkedIn developer portal and sign in with your LinkedIn account. Once signed in, click on the Create App button. Fill in the required details like the app name, company, and description. Select the permissions your app will need, such as a _basic profile and a email address. After creating the app, navigate to the Auth tab in your application settings. Here, make a note of your client ID and client secret. You will also need to set your application's redirect URL. This URL is where LinkedIn will send users after they authorize your app. For development, you can use a localhost URL or a development URL like http://localhost 3000. In your React Native project, install the necessary library for handling OAuth. You can use libraries like React Native App Auth for this purpose. After installing the library, import the necessary components into your project. Next, create a function to handle the OAuth flow. In this function, initiate the OAuth process by calling the authorize method. Pass in the details including your client ID, redirect URL, and the OAuth scopes you previously noted. Once the user is redirected to the LinkedIn authorization page, they will log in and authorize your app. On successful authorization, LinkedIn will redirect back to your set redirect URL with an authorization code. You will then need to exchange this code for an access token. Send a post request to LinkedIn's token endpoint with the authorization code, client ID, client secret, and redirect URL. If successful, you will receive an access token in response. Store this access token securely in your app for future API calls. You can now make authorized requests to LinkedIn's API using this access token. Test the integration by fetching the user's profile or connections to ensure it works as expected. This completes the integration of LinkedIn OAuth in your React Native application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.